proceed towards the creation of a custom connector. So we need to proceed towards a solution. In the solution, we need to click new. In the automation, we need to click custom connect. It will take a bit to open the UI. Now, custom connector screen is open. Now we have to choose HTTPS as well as the host. We paste this URL, but make sure we don't use this HTTPS as well as we also need to remove this deployment. This is the complete URL from our deployed model. Make sure if you want to do it manually before it, you can do it accordingly. But I'm doing it on camera in front of you so you can understand how it really works. And make sure don't leave any empty space. Otherwise, it will throw an error. Let's proceed with the next step, security. In the security, we will use API key, so we need to select that. And then our parameter label is API key, and then the API key. Make sure that in the parameter name, you have to write the all small letters. Let's proceed with the next step. Parameter location must be header. So now let's proceed towards the next step. Click the definition. Next. Then we need to create a new action there. So in the security, we need to add some new actions. So click new action. Then in the general, we have to choose this. Then we choose the description. This one you can choose any description that best suits you according to your action. Then the operation ID. Then the operation ID, then make sure that the visibility will be set to important because otherwise it will not work properly. After visibility is set to important, then in the request we need to click import from sample and then we choose a method post and then we choose a URL from the model, this one, and make sure you have to just choose the last option, this like not the complete URL, OpenAI deployment, GPT, 4 mini, and the preview of it because we have already used the first part of it. Then leave the header blank and then in the body paste this payload. I will provide the link of this payload as well, no worries, and click import. It is successfully imported a complete URL. Now we see our validation is already succeeded and successful. Now we are ready to proceed towards the next step. So we need to click code. We don't need to upload anything there because we use API key. Test a connector. So we need to create a connector there and then after creating the connector, we will test it accordingly. Click create. It is now creating a connector. It will take a bit to create. Our connector is created successfully. Before we can proceed forward, we need to test it. Click test. In the API version, write the API version of our connector as well as we will upload the raw body. This is the raw body and test this operation. First, we need to create a connection there because currently we don't have created a connection. So that's why it is not proceeding with the test. We need to create connection. New connection. API key. It is asking for the API key of the module. I will provide it a key and then our connection will be created successfully. Our connection is created successfully, but our connector is not showing there. We need to reload it. Our connection is created successfully, and this is our current connector that we created as your function connector. So click on that. We need to test it. Click test. Now our connection reference is already created. Now we need to write the API version. This is the API version. We have already provided the API version. Now we provide it with the raw payload body, and we will test our custom connector. This one we need to test this operation. If 200 OK comes, then our connector will be working fine. So click test operation. Wait a bit. And you see 200 status. It means the connector is working fine and it extracts everything. And this is our body and this is our header. Also, our validation is successful. And